Hello everyone, come back to ChuChu TV today, and let's learn about crabs. General introduction. Crabs are a group of crustacean animals. With more than 6,800 different species, they can be found in fresh water, salt water, and even on land. Crabs are one of the animals with the most diverse appearances and behaviors in the marine animal kingdom, with many species having interesting and unique characteristics, from giant crabs like the king crab to tiny species like the hermit crab. Each species has its own stories to tell. Appearance characteristics. Crabs have a body protected by a tough exoskeleton, called a carapace. With a bilaterally symmetrical structure, they have 5 pairs of legs, of which the front pair are often developed into larger claws, used to catch prey, defend themselves and sometimes communicate. Crab claws can vary widely in size and shape depending on the species, with some species having powerful and large claws, while other species have smaller and more delicate claws. Crabs' eyes are located on their stalks, allowing them to see around flexibly without moving their bodies. This is useful in detecting enemies and finding food. Crabs also have a system of sensitive sensory hairs on their bodies, helping them detect vibrations and chemicals in the water, increasing their ability to detect their surroundings. Life cycle and development. Crabs go through a complex development cycle starting from eggs, going through many larval stages before becoming adult crabs. After fertilization, female crabs usually carry the eggs under their abdomen until they hatch. Crab larvae, called zoea, go through many molts. Each time they change shape and increase in size. The larval stage of crabs is very important, as they must find food and avoid predators while they are developing. After a series of larval stages, the crab will move on to a final stage called the megalopa, before reaching full adulthood. This development usually lasts from a few weeks to a few months, depending on the species and environmental conditions. Behavior. Crabs are very intelligent and highly adaptable animals. They have many complex behaviors, from building shelters to finding food and communicating with other individuals. Some crab species, such as the coconut crab, can climb trees to find food, while other species, such as the horseshoe crab, live mainly on the sea floor. Crabs usually live alone but can also form groups to protect their territory or search for food. Some crab species use chemical and acoustic signals to communicate, while other species use visual signals such as color and claw movements. Featured crab species. King crab. This is one of the largest crabs in the world, with a size that can reach 1.8 meters when its claws are stretched out. King crabs live mainly in the North Pacific Ocean and are a species with high commercial value. Coconut crab. This crab is famous for its ability to climb trees and eat coconuts. They are the largest crabs living on land, with claw spans of up to 1 meter. Hermit crab. This is a special group of crabs that use empty snail shells as shelter and protection for their soft bodies. Hermit crabs have a very interesting behavior. They will search for new shells as they grow, and sometimes they even exchange shells with each other. Conclude. Crabs are one of the most diverse and abundant crustaceans in the world. They not only enrich biodiversity, but also play an important role in the ecosystem. Understanding of life and behavior. To help me have more motivation to produce more quality videos, please give me a like and a channel subscription. Hello and see you again in the next videos.